So we back for another video, right? So 27 dead in western blizzard with more snow on the way, right? There's a lot of snow in western New York blizzard. Thousands remain without power, right? In Buffalo, where there is as much as 49 inches of snow on the ground, right? This is devastating. It's crazy to me. It's a devastating situation. It's crazy to me. But this was on Monday morning while thousands remain without power. Snow continued to fall. Also, Buffalo identified 12 more deaths since Sunday that they linked the storm. They linked the storm, whatever. There are multiple deaths found trapped in their cars. Trapped in their cars. Yo, oh, yo, it must have been a snowy fucking winter today, bro. About moving snow from outside homes and businesses. My dog's poisoning. There's a man. It was one death in Nigeria where a man was called carbon monoxide poisoning. Officials said the county sheriff's officer said that a 27-year-old man was found dead in his home. Heavy snow blocked the external forms and caused carbon monoxide to enter the house. Another person was taken from the hospital for treatment, the sheriff said. Early 29 may have double counted two facilities in Erie County, western New York. No strain to snow appeared to bear blunt firm storm, sent temperature plugging much of the county. Strong winds and all that shit, man. Took down the power lines, all that shit. Yo, it's a crazy situation right now, man. Took down so far. That's what we gonna get out. That's 20,000 homes and businesses remain without powers. All right. So what we got here? 27 people dead, caused by the blizzard. At least one person, 27-year-old man, right, dies on carbon dioxide, some shit. 3, you got some strong ass winds coming through. Power lines are being pulled down. So it seems like a lot of shit going down over there in the western, you know what I'm saying, western, in the west side right now. You know what I'm saying? Yo, I can't wrap my head around this shit. Yo, it's crazy to me. Motherfuckers are trapped in their car. Niggas computers getting turned off out this bitch. Excuse me. People getting the computers turned off, man. Yo, tell me what y'all think, man. This is crazy. This was 20,000 homes and businesses are out of power right now. I'm out of here, man. Peace. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this situation. Sad situation. I'm out of here.